Good morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain news. Well, markets are sharply lower today on forecasts of rain, maybe two events. The second event, probably more coverage and heavier amounts than the first event. Soybeans right now, September 13.11 down 25 cents. You've got September corn down 11 at 5.72. The overnight high was 5.90. And wheat's down anywhere from 9 cents in Minneapolis to 18 cents in Chicago. Looks like the stock market's going to open a little bit higher. The dollar's lower, crude's lower, and again, this weakness is despite the fact that the USDA dropped corn and soybean ratings to the lowest since 2012. Right now, the corn is rated 50% good to excellent versus 55 last week and 67 last year. Beans 51 good to excellent versus 54 and 65 last year. Illinois is 25, Missouri 32, Michigan 23, Iowa 48, Minnesota 63, and Tennessee 70. So you can see where the lower crops are and where the moisture is needed. Right now, we're losing about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain each week in evapotranspiration, and the Midwest is probably 4 to 5 inches behind as far as normal rainfall is concerned. Over in the corn, Illinois, 26% good to excellent, Michigan, 28, Missouri, 31, Iowa, 56, Minnesota, 57, and Ohio, 66. Winter wheat crop ratings did go up 2 percentage point to 40% good to excellent. Harvest right now for the wheat is 24% done versus 51 versus 33 average. And this is one of the slowest harvests that we've seen in quite a while. We also noted that they dropped soft spring wheat conditions 1 percentage to 50% good to excellent. Last year it was 59. The U.S. soybean exports, 49 million tons versus 51 last year. Corn, 32.5 million tons, down 31% from last year. And we just started the wheat export year with 28 million bushels versus 44 last year. I think that the next step in the marketplace is Friday's USDA report. I think the first thing that people are going to focus on is the carry out for the June 1 stocks. Some people think that beans will be 812 million bushels versus 968 last year. That's an important number. Below that would be friendly to the nearby market. Above that would be negative. Corn 42.55 versus 43.49 last year. And again, that would be positive nearby. We've got the July SEP corn spread out to 61 cents. Commercials feel that that is too much of an inverse, and we'll see if there's any deliveries against the spec long. So globally, conditions are mostly favorable in Europe, improving in Ukraine and Russia. Still dry in Argentina, but conditions are normal in Australia.